Hi guys, welcome back to another video of this channel. So in this video, I will show you that how you can transfer the crypto coins from Bybit exchange to your Trust wallet in very simple steps. So here you can see I have opened Bybit exchange on my cell phone. From here, we will transfer USDT to Trust wallet. If you want to keep updated from the market to get the latest signal, you can join my free Telegram group. You can find the link from the description, which is 100% free. Now let's come on the assets, and here you have to select the withdraw because we are withdrawing from here and we will deposit on our Trust wallet. Alright, now click on the withdraw. So when you select the withdraw, here you can see coins in which you have the funds. So here you can see I have USDT and Solana coin. I will select the USDT here, USDT. So after selecting the USDT, you can see there are two options, on-chain and internet transfer. So basically internet transfer is used to transfer the funds from Bybit account to another Bybit account. But currently we are transferring from Bybit exchange to our Trust wallet. So we will select on-chain. On-chain is basically used to transfer the funds outside the exchange, which can be any other exchange or maybe any other wallet. And here you have to select the network. So here you can see the networks and their fees is just like for the ERC20, $8 fee. So ERC20 is basically a very expensive network, which is Ethereum network. For the TRC20, you have to pay 1.3 USDT fee. For the Arbitrum, 1 USDT. For the Solana, 1 USDT. For the BSC network, 1 USDT fee. Before selecting the any network, keep in mind that whatever network you select from here, for example, if you select ERC20, which is very expensive, but I am just giving you an example. If you select the ERC20 and you transfer the funds from Bybit to Trust wallet, you will receive the funds on the Trust wallet. Alright, but when you transfer from Trust wallet to any other exchange or any other crypto, you always have to pay the network fee. Now you have selected ERC20, you have to pay the fee in Ethereum because it is Ethereum network. For the TRC20, you have to pay the fee in the TRX. For the Solana, you have to pay the fee in the Solana. For the BSC BP20 network, you have to pay the fee in the Binance coin, which is BNB. So before transferring to any wallet, you must have these things in your mind. So let's say I want to transfer using the BP20 network, which I really like. You can also select the TRC20, but you have to pay in the TRX. Here we need the address of the USDT BP20 network. So let's come on the Trust wallet. So on your Trust wallet, just click on the search, and here you have to find the coin which you want to deposit here. Just like I want to deposit USDT, type USDT here. After that, you will see there are many USDT available. Don't be confused. Here you can see the coin name and the network name. Just like for the first, you can see USDT Tron network. Tron is TRC20. You can also Google whenever you don't have much information. USDT BNB Smart Chain, USDT Ethereum, USDT Polygon. So here you have to select the USDT BNB Smart Chain because we have selected the BP20 network, which is BNB Smart Chain network. Select this. Now here to get the address, you have to click on the receive because we are withdrawing from the Bybit and we will receive on the USDT. On the top again you can see USDT BP20 BNB Smart Chain network. Click on the receive and here we go. Here is our address. Copy this address. Make sure the address is USDT BP20 network or whatever network you have selected. Come on the Bybit exchange, paste your address here. The minimum withdrawal amount is 10 USDT. So I will select the 10 USDT. Every network have a separate minimum amount policy. For BP20, the minimum withdrawal amount is 10 USDT. We have to pay 1 USDT withdrawal fees. Click on the withdraw, a slip page, or you can say the confirmation page. So on the confirmation page, you will find all the details. So we are transferring USDT BP20 network, withdraw to this address, 10 USDT, and withdrawal fee is 1 USDT. Click on the confirm. Now here you have to verify the security verification that you are the owner of this account. Click on the get code. After adding the both codes, click on the confirm, and here you can see our request has been submitted. It will take couple of minutes to verify your transaction. Here you can see the view withdrawal history. Now it is currently under review. So Bybit also provides you facility that you can also cancel the transaction within a minute. So currently I don't want to cancel this. So till it is verifying the transaction, you can subscribe my channel. If you have don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel for more amazing tutorials. Now let me refresh this. And here you can see it says sent. 10 USDT has been sent. But let me tell you one thing. Sometimes it shows that sent from here. But on Trust Wallet, it will take couple of minutes more. On the backend, it is verifying the confirmations. So let's come on the Trust Wallet and verify this transaction. And here we go. You can see 10 USDT has been added in our Trust Wallet account. So here you can see 10 USDT has been added on our Trust Wallet account. So I hope you understand that how you can transfer the crypto coin from Bybit exchange to Trust Wallet account. If you want to see other tutorials, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.